externship coordinator. An externship is an experience that our students have where they get to go out to clinical sites and practice skills that they may have learned in the classroom or in their labs. So my job, there's a couple different parts to my job. I first make sure that our students have good sites to go to, sites where they're going to practice their skills, and then I also meet with the students.
So I feel as if our externship process is extremely important, especially because a lot of schools that you go to, you're not getting that hands-on experience that a lot of these jobs are looking for. You're only getting the student education, and with our extern, you have 160 hours that you're able to complete, and that's in an actual office where you're complete hands-on. You're doing what you're going to be doing in the job field. Whenever you're ready for a job, whether you get hired straight out of extern or you go to another job opportunity, those jobs are going to be looking for that experience from that extern, and with you having that extern experience, you're more than likely going to be able to land you a job very easily.
One of my favorite things to do is by the time students get to me, they're getting closer to graduation, so they're coming into externship, they're nervous and excited. But I love to see when they're getting near the end of the externship, their sense of accomplishment, they're so excited, and working closely with the students, I'm personally invested in that, and so I'm excited for them.